But I think you have to be open and flexible to try different things. I think there's tremendous opportunity within Veeam. There's always multiple jobs that are open. So I would encourage Veemers to take a risk and try something new and different, because the more well-rounded you can be and dabbling in other areas, I think will help you and serve you well. And then just continue to educate yourself. I think is really important, and really take control of your career. I think a lot of people sit and back and wait for somebody to tap them on the shoulder and say, hey, what about this? I've always found that it's really important to drive your own career and to really have a perspective of where you want to go. And if you have that, I think that will help you and serve you well as you move forward.
The most important thing is there is always opportunity, but you have to own it. You have to understand what you want to do, and then you have to work towards it, set goals. Take advantage of the people around you that are doing it, learn from them. You have to be open. There is no limit to what you can do. We have great tools out there for you to leverage to help you along the way in programs, whether they're be mentor or being able to go work with folks in other departments to learn more about their jobs. So if there's something you want to do at Veeam, it's limitless in my opinion. But you have to own it, and you have to set your goals, and you have to go out and work for it.